Hallo und willkommen zurück. Welcome back. In this video, we will talk about 3 basic core concepts of German work culture. Bist du bereit? Die deutsche Arbeitskultur. 3 Kernkonzepte. Effizienz. Stellenwert der Arbeit. Beruf und Privatleben trennen. Und jetzt erklärt. Have you ever heard the term German efficiency? Die deutsche Effizienz? What does that refer to? Efficiency means achieving a goal the fastest way possible. Möglichst schnell das Ziel erreichen. Most of the Germans achieve that by being on time, pünktlich and zielorientiert, goal-oriented. Was bedeutet pünktlich in Deutschland? It means being there 5 minutes earlier, 5 Minuten vorher da sein. Was bedeutet zielorientiert? We summed it up for you as working concentrated, konzentriertes Arbeiten, and oftentimes, not in all the companies but in many, if you're done with the work you can go home, which is called Gleitzeit. Wenn die Arbeit fertig ist, kann man nach Hause gehen, which is a great motivation to work faster. Stellenwert der Arbeit. There's a saying in German that goes, erst die Arbeit, dann das Vergnügen, which is very representative for the German importance, Stellenwert of work. Now that Stellenwert der Arbeit is very high, is very important for Germans. That's why there's a Einsatzbereitschaft, a willingness to commit, and people take over responsibilities, Verantwortung übernehmen. Was bedeutet Einsatzbereitschaft? It means that you're willing to commit, and that also implies for Germans that you're interested in the outcome. Interesse am Ergebnis, which is just a fancy way of saying they care. Was bedeutet Verantwortung übernehmen? It means admitting mistakes, Fehler eingestehen, and working autonomously. Selbstständiges Arbeiten. As a matter of fact, it is very respected in German work culture to express your opinion honestly, even with authority figures. So don't hold it in. It might even make you more appreciated. The third core concept we figured out for you guys is Beruf und Privatleben trennen, which basically has to do with the first two. If you want to be more efficient, you can't talk about your private life all the time, and also because work has a very high importance, Stellenwert. So the atmosphere at work is rather sachlich, objective, and your colleagues are not automatically your friends. Kollegen sind nicht automatisch Freunde. So that basically explains why Germans come across as cold. They are rather goal-oriented, zielorientiert, for their Einsatzbereitschaft, willingness to commit, and for their tendency to be efficient, effizient. So it's really all about getting the job done and getting home early. And that's it for today, you guys. I hope we could sum it up for you what German work culture is about. And if you've had different experiences, please comment. And if you've liked this video, please drop a like. See you in the next video. Tschüss!